Hello people, we got ChoroQ Zero number Z-44 here. It's a Nissan Gloria. Let's take a look here at the back. Gotta get a look at that so I can cut the thing. In this case, I'll just use my pick here. Got separate mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on because I know they'll just break right off. These are only two photos of this car I could find. It's a four-door, obviously. Pretty long, big four-door. And it looks like ChoroQ got the lights orientation correct. Looks pretty good. The wheels are totally different though. Alright. Yeah. Seems alright. Okay, so yeah, those wheels, they look kind of like rally wheels to me, but they're cooler than their standard 5-spokes, so I'm appreciative of that. I like to see that it's black here in the side molding here. The door handles have some dimension to them, and it actually says Gloria right here. Really nicely done. This paint is like a silver metallic. Some rivet texture there. Just white, not white, just silver headlights and fog lights, the orange turn signals. The grille does have some black, and it's got a silver egg crate of some sort going around it. Blank license plate. The little bumps here for the, I think they help people know where the corners of the car are. A little bump there as well, probably a badge on the real car. And then a dark smoked canopy, you can see the rear there. This side looks the same, I guess. Taillights, pretty good printing on them. You know, it's not just orange and red, but they actually have some black on top of that. And then a squarish exhaust tip. And this thing is from 2016, maybe? Can't read that with my own eyes. Yeah, the 4th month of 2016. I do like that they print, you know, what the car is. Although, actually, you don't know if it's a Cedric or a Gloria, but it's the 430 body code. Alright, so not bad. I like it. Let's compare it to a couple other ChoroQs, or actually, before ChoroQs, 64 scales. So I have these two models here. The first one is by Tomico Limited Vintage. This is called a Gloria GT Super SV from 87 to 91. Is when that car was out in the real world. This next one is a Gloria, and I wrote a note of 1987. This is from Aoshima. It's from their Abunai Deka series, which was like a TV police show. And so it's got the matching license plate and the police light. I added some black paint to the wheels and then opened it up and painted the interior tan. I think it was just black before, so it's a little bit more like the TLV now. Neither of these are this exact year, though. I can tell that because the shape of these corner lights is different. So also the taillight colors are different as well, but it's as close as I can get to this thing. Alright. Put a couple of the ChoroQs of the similar appearance. That's a Nissan President, a big four-door, I guess. This is a Cedric 430. Now I think the Cedric 430 and the Gloria are sharing the same body. It's just the front and rear lights are different. So you can actually see the molding here is quite similar. The doors, the little ribs on the behind the doors, the door handles, but the printing of the taillights is different. And what else? Well, the grille is different, but the lights look the same. Alright. I guess well, I was gonna bring out a cartoon character, but I don't really have a fitting one for this one today. So we'll let this spin on its own. So this is the Nissan Gloria. It's not a bad looking Choro-Q. I like that it has the printing on the side that literally says Gloria. The wheels are kind of cool. They're kind of retro, but you know, this car is also kind of retro itself. So, alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.